Hey there, we're going to learn about some special characters. What are special characters? Well, in HTML, there are a number of characters on your keyboard that you should not type directly in your document because they won't render properly on the front end in your browser. And also, there are some characters that you simply cannot type on your keyboard. And those special characters are things like the copyright symbol, the registered trademark symbol, ampersand, certain things like the N dash, M dash, so on and so forth. So first, before we get a little too far in the lecturing part, let's go ahead and create a special characters.html file. And obviously do that basic structure. Change that title to special characters. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a real quick example here of what a special character looks like. So the copyright symbol is actually Option or Alt G, and that gives you copyright. Now over here, it just so happened to render properly, but we're lucky because Google Chrome is a great browser and is smart enough to know, like, hey, Brad made a mistake. He probably should not have done that, but I'm smart enough to fix his mistake, which is typing the special character directly in the code. Not good. But there is a better way. In HTML, you can create these special characters by using what is called HTML entities, and that looks like so. So that generates the copyright symbol. Ampersand, a specific set of letters, and the semicolon. That will generate a special character using an HTML entity. Now, I just noticed here in brackets, it kind of, it knows that I'm about to write some special characters, so it gives me a whole list of all of the special characters in HTML, all of the HTML entities rather. And you can see here the specific code. So we have the ampersand, and in many cases here, we have things like the pound sign and a number followed with the semicolon. And that gives us all of these special characters. So if you wanted something like the angle, that'll give you an angle. Or if you wanted something like the registered trademark, it is REG semicolon. Or if you wanted something like, say, the right angle quote. And if you wanted to know even more about HTML entities, you could go to a website called www.asci.cl/htmlcodes.htm. And that will give you an entire list, an entire table of the HTML codes and how you can generate them and create them in HTML. But if you're using something like brackets, you don't even really need to go here because, as you saw, the autocomplete menu let you choose let you kind of just click on what you wanted to create. But this is the reference if you want to actually know how to do certain things in the HTML entities or HTML codes. So yeah, those are special characters. It's a really quick lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.